Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make professional cookies using an easy method. Achieving bakery-quality cookies at home is simpler than you think. We'll start by focusing on the foundation, your ingredients. Always opt for fresh, high-quality butter, eggs, and flour. Precision in measuring is key, so use a kitchen scale for accuracy. A crucial step is chilling your dough for at least 30 minutes. This prevents spreading and enhances flavor. Now, let's talk about mixing your dough for that perfect texture. Begin by creaming your softened butter and sugar until the mixture is light and fluffy, which incorporates air. Then, add your eggs one by one, ensuring each is fully incorporated before adding the next. In a separate bowl, whisk together your dry ingredients. Finally, gently fold the dry into the wet mixture until just combined, avoiding over-mixing to keep your cookies tender. Baking is where the magic happens, so let's ensure professional results. Always preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit for consistent heat. Line your baking sheets with parchment paper. This prevents sticking and promotes even browning. Arrange your dough balls 2 inches apart to allow for spreading. Bake for 8 to 12 minutes, or until the edges are golden brown, but the centers still look slightly soft. The final touches elevate your cookies from homemade to professional. Once baked, let them cool on the baking sheet for about 5 minutes. This helps them firm up. Then, transfer them to a wire rack to cool completely, which prevents the bottoms from becoming soggy. For presentation, a simple dusting of powdered sugar or a delicate drizzle of glaze adds elegance. Store your masterpieces in an airtight container to maintain their freshness for several days.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.